I have for you another Black Friday haul. This is the last one. In these bags I have products from Indeed Lab. It's a Canadian brand which makes real products for real people, and also they really care about the ingredients. And similar as with the cell phones, they have to be upgraded. It's the same with the skincare, but I know they don't have none of the crazy stuff like the parabens and all the other unhealthy things which you try to avoid. I don't know if I can find it on the bags, but let me take a look at it. Okay, here we go. Paraben, fragrance free. Something paraben, fragrance free. Okay, I already tried few of the Indeed Lab products and I did enjoy them, so I decided to repurchase some and also try few of the new ones. So let me start it. Let me show you what I ordered. I ordered the Retinol face, so I have two of those, and this is my empty. So pretty much it's a retinol. It's very gentle, and if you never use retinol, this is a good one to start with because it's gentle enough, so you can start with once a week, then twice a week, every other day. Now I'm at the point where I can use this either every other day or every day, but yes, I do like it. And you know what? It works. So yes, that's why I bought two of them. The next one is the Pepta-Bright, which I think it's a remake for the Snoxin. Snoxin, it's a serum with peptides. Okay, I don't know if you can focus. Here we go. The multi-peptide facial serum. Now with this one, apparently it's supposed to uneven the skin tone, which I have no idea because I just purchased, but come on. It also comes in a tube. Here we go. So yeah, we'll see about this one. And then we got, okay, this is a set of the Hyadraluron serum and the moisture jelly. With the serum, I already used one, so that's my empty. I do like it, and I think this one by itself it's close to $30, but in a set you're getting those two items for $40. And you know what? It's a good deal because it's either 20 each or this one's gonna cost you 10. It's really worth buying. The serum has a jelly formula, and yes, it is a worth buying and trying out. If you like the effect of hyaluronic acid, this one it's really good. Then I repurchased the Q10 Booster. I used this one last year during winter, and my skin never looked so good. It's like having, okay, when you have a facial, your skin looks really good. That's how my skin felt when I was using this. So when I ran out of it, I don't know why, what happened to my face. And then I realized that was this. And now because I did like it and enjoy it, I decided to repurchase. So in general, here we go, line wrinkles, Q10. You can also take CoQ10 pills. Okay, so we have two of those. It's a little smash, but you know what? I don't care. It's all about the product inside. And let's see if it's good. Yeah. Okay, this is a new item. That's their lip balm. No. It's, here we go, lip treatment featuring hyaluronic acid. Okay, I never try it, so to be find out, but at least let me show you how it comes. Come on, you. All right, so you got your tube. Okay, Okay, so comes in a tube with a little squeezer. And I ordered 2 of them since everything was 50% off, so why not? Okay, that's the new thing. That's the Exfoliator facial powder. Here we go. Rice bran extract, uric acid, pineapple extract. It's a new item for me, so I have no idea how it will do, but yeah, for sure I'm gonna report back to you. What else we have left? Oh yeah, I also ordered two of each for the Bakuchiol Reface Pads. This, it's like a alternative to retinol. It's not exactly retinol, but you're gonna see the same results. So it comes in a, I don't know, it comes with 30 pads inside. So I have 2 of those, and then I have 2 of the NoAcid Pads. Okay, so pretty much retinol and acids. Okay, so that's what I ordered from Indeed Lab, and yeah, I'm gonna report back to you, and in a few months I'm gonna make a separate video about the products. But if you use any of the new items, please let me know, and till then, bye.